Let's move on to level 13. Given that the pentagon and heptagon are equivalent, find the side of the heptagon. This is the heptagon, this is the pentagon. If they're equivalent, they have the same area. I'm going to find the area of the pentagon, then I'm going to find the side length of the heptagon. For the pentagon, we have the side and we have the apothem. Then we can figure out the area. For the heptagon, we know the area. Once we know the area of the pentagon, we know the apothem, and then we find the side length. The side length of the pentagon is 13.8043. The apothem is 9.5. Each polygon is made of n isosceles triangle. The isosceles triangle is always made up of the side length and the apothem. So we're going to find the area of that triangle and then multiply by n, by the number of sides, in this case by 5. The area is the base of that triangle, which is the side length, times the height of that triangle, which is the apothem, divided by 2, and then multiplied by the number of sides that we have. In this case, it's 5. The area of the heptagon is the same as the area of the pentagon. Let's write out our formula. The area of the heptagon is the side length times the height, the apothem, divided by 2 times 7. We're after the side length. I'm going to get rid of the 2 and the 7 and everything else, so I'm going to be doing a lot of cross multiplication. The 2 is multiplying the a. The apothem is going to come down and divide the a, and the same with the 7. It's going to come down and divide. We end up with 2 times the area divided by 7 times the apothem is equal to the side length. For the heptagon, the apothem is 9.8618. The side length is 2 times the area of the heptagon, which is the same as the area of the pentagon, divided by 7 divided by the apothem. That gives us 9.49872. That's our answer. I'm going to paste that over here and round it. And have the 2 tell the 7 to remain a 7. And the units are kilometers. And we press enter to see if we're right. All right, let's do one more quick one. We are after the side length of the decagon. Here we have a square, and the side length is 32.8. The area of the square is just that side length squared. For the decagon, the apothem is 18.1964. We are after the side length. For the decagon, the area is, we end up making triangles that look something like this. The decagon is made of 10 isosceles triangles, where the base is the side length and the height of the triangle is the apothem. It is the side length times the apothem divided by 2 times 10. Dividing by 2 and multiplying by 10 is the same as multiplying by 5. I want to get the side length alone, so I'm going to use cross multiplication. The a is going to come down and divide the area. The 5 is going to come down and divide the area as well. We have area divided by 5a. 5 times the apothem is the side length. Side length is the area divided by... Now I like to write divide by 5, divide by the apothem. You could do it that way, or if you wanted to, you could just write divide by brackets 5 times the apothem. It's the same thing. But what you don't want to do is divide by 5 times the apothem without the brackets. It's the same as if I write the area divided by 5 divided by the apothem. Gives us the same answer. That's the side length. That's what we're after. I'm just going to paste that over here. I'm going to have this 6 is going to tell this 5 to round up to a 6. The units are kilometers, and then we press enter to see if we're right. All right, and that is it for level 13. Have a good day.